Now, let's do again random post. Pero ito ay post ulit ni Kimberly Manuel Tabaldo Yanis. Masyadong marami siya with regards to age problem. So anyway, sasagutan natin yan lahat. Pero we will just do the shortcut method, yung madalian lang. Tapos kung meron kayong gustong i-clarify, just comment down below kung anong gusto niyong i-clarify natin. Then pwede natin gawan ulit ng tutorial video yung medyo sa tingin nyo ay mahirap intindihin. At isa pa, wala akong answer key nito at hindi rin nakakomment dito yung mga sagot nito, kung anong sagot sa reviewer na ito. So kung meron kayong same reviewer, just comment down below just in case lang na sa tingin nyo ay mali ako at iba yung nasa answer key. Then we will see kung tama nga ba ako or mali nga ba ako. First question. A person was asked to state his age in years. His reply was, take my age 3 years hence, multiply it by 3, and then subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago, and you will know how old I am. What was the age of the person? Is it A, 14 years, B, 18 years, C, 20 years, or 32 years? Ito yung mga tanong na sana hindi na lang kita tinanong sa edad mo. Let A be the edad of this person. Take my age 3 years hence, meaning A plus 3. Next, multiply it by 3. Ito daw, i-multiply natin ng 3. Then, subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago. Subtract 3 times my age 3 years ago minus 3 equals A. Kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. Yan yung edad niya. Uulitin ko. Let A be the edad nitong person na to. Take my age 3 years hence, that is A plus 3. Multiply it by 3, kaya close parenthesis yan, i-multiply natin ng 3. And then subtract, so minus. 3 times my age 3 years ago. Edad niya, di ba, let A be the edad of that person. Edad niya si A minus 3 because that was 3 years ago. 3 times my age 3 years ago. Yan yung ibig sabihin yan. And you will know how old I am. Ito na yung equation natin. So, isolve na natin. That is 3A. 3 times 3, that is positive 9. Then this one is minus 3A, negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9 equals A. Ipagsama natin ang mga like terms. 3A minus 3A, 0 na yan siya. So, ang natitira na lang ay 9. 9 plus 9 equals 18. So, A is equals to 18. Ang tanong, what was the age of the person? 18 years. I hope nasundan nyo yun. So, dito na tayo sa next question. A father said to his son, I was as old as you are at present at that time of your birth. If the father's age is 38 years now, the son's age 5 years back was, is it 14, 19, 33, or 38? The shortest way to solve this is 38 divided by 2, that is 19. 19 minus 5 kasi 5 years back, and that is 14. So, ang sagot nito ay 14 years. Another way of solving this is let A be the edad of the son. Let A be the edad of the son. Father is 38 years now. I was as old as you are at present. Minus A. And that will be the edad of his son. So, ipagsama natin ang mga like terms. 38 is equals to negative A. Kapag matranspose sa kapila, maging positive A. So, A plus A equals 2A. This is 38. Para ma-isolate si A dito, since si 2 ay pang-multiply sa A, pang-divide siya sa 38. 38 divided by 2 equals 19. So, ang edad ni son ay 19. Pero, ang tanong ay the son's age 5 years back. 19 minus 5, and that is 14. Kaya ang sagot dito ay 14 years. Next, 4 years ago, the father's age was 3 times the age of his son. The total of the ages of the father and the son after 4 years will be 64 years. What is the father's age at present? Is it 32 years, 36 years, 44 years, or 12 years? Para klaro, gawa natin ito ng table method. 4 years ago, that means minus 4 years. Yan. So, father's age was 3 times the age of his son. Ito si father at si son. Ang edad ni son, let A be the edad of son. And then the father's age was 3 times the age of his son. 3A. Then, i-divide natin. The total of the ages of the father and the son after 4 years. After 4 years. So, ito yung present. Will be 64. What is the father's age at present? So, after 4 years, this is 3A plus 8. Bakit plus 8? This was 4 years ago. After 4 years, so 8 years na nakalipas. Ang edad ni son ay A plus 8. Kung i-add mo ang edad ni father at saka ni son, ang total niyan ay 64. Ngayon, isolve natin ang value ni A. 3A plus A, same terms, that is 4A plus 8 equals 16, equals 64. Tapos ito si 16, i-transpose natin sa kabila, 64 minus 16, and that is 48. 4A. Para ma-isolate natin si A dito, itong si 4 pang divide sa 48. So, 48 divided by 4, and that is 12. So, ang edad ni son dito ay 12, 4 years ago. Tapos, si father naman, 12 times 3, and that is 36. Mag-add ka ng 4 para sa present, and that is 40. Mag-add ka rin ng 4 para sa present ni son, that is 16. So, ang edad ni father at present ay 40. Sad to say, wala sa choices ang 40 years. So, tayo yung mag-adjust. Tingnan natin, what if ang gumawa sa question na ito, ang ibig sabihin niya ng after 4 years ay at present pala. Kasi 4 years ago, meron tayong 4 years ago. Tapos, after 4 years. Baka at present yung ibig sabihin niya. We will see. Ito si father. Ito naman si son. So, A, 3A, si father, 4 years ago. At present, or after 4 years, simula dito sa 4 years ago, okay, instead of at present, baka yun yung ibig sabihin ng gumawa ng question na ito. Tingnan natin. So, yun yung after 4 years niya ay present. Tingnan lang natin. Kunwari, ito yon. 3A plus 4. Yan. A plus 4 equals 64. I-delete muna natin to, dito tayo mag-solve. Itong 3a plus a, that is 4a, plus 4 plus 4, that is 8, equals 64. Ang 8, i-transpose natin sa kabila, maging negative 8, or 64 minus 8, and that is 56. 4a. Para ma-isolate si a dito, si 4 pang divide sa 56. 56 divided by 4, and that is 14. So, ang edad ni son ay 14, at saka ang edad naman ni father, 14 times 3, that is 42, 4 years ago. At present, so plus 4. 42 plus 4, that is 46. Ang question again is, what is the father's age at present? Kung ganito man lang, 46 years, wala din sa choices. Pero base dito sa problem na ito yung tamang solusyon diyan. At ang sagot ay 40 years. Wala sa choices. Now, you can comment below kung paano nyo isolve in such a way na nasa choices yung sagot. Before tayo mag-proceed sa next question, mag-kanto style tayo ng pag-compute nito. Isa-isahin natin. Kanto style method, kanto or tambay style method. Erase nga natin to. Isa-isahin natin yung mga choices, yun yung ibig kong sabihin. What is the father's age at present? So, meaning yung mga choices at present yun. Umpisahan natin sa 32. 32 minus 4. Si 32 minus 4, that is 28. Ma-divide ba si 28 by 3? Hindi. So, hindi yan ang sagot. Bakit i-divide natin ang 3? Remember, ang father ay 3 times the age of his son. So, example lang, kung 40 ang sagot, mag-minus ka ng 4, that will be 36. Ang 36, exactly, ma-divide ng 3, 36 divided by 3, and that is 12. Ganon. So, si 32 minus 4 equals 28. 28 ang edad ni father 4 years ago. Ngayon, ang 28, ma-divide ba ng 3 para sa edad ni son? Hindi. Next, 36 minus 4, and that is 32. Hindi rin ma-divide ng 3. 44 minus 4 equals 40. Hindi rin ma-divide ng 3. 12 minus 4, and that is 8. Hindi rin ma-divide ng 3. Therefore, wala sa choices ang sagot. Ang tamang sagot dito ay itong 40 years. Next, a man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. The present age of the son is 14 years, 18 years, 20 years, or 22 years. Ang magandang gawin natin ay, para mas clear ba, gawin natin siyang, ilagay natin bali siya sa table, or yan ang sinasabing table method. 24 years older than his son. Ito si man at ito naman si son. Let S or A na lang, let A be the edad of his son. Then 24 years older, so 24 plus A. Ito yung present age nila. Mag-table tayo. Ito naman, in 2 years, of plus 2 years. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. Ang age ni son ay, at present ay A, so A plus 2 in 2 years. Twice the age of his son. 2 times A plus 2. Yan yung ibig sabihin ng twice the age of his son in 2 years. The question is, the present age of the son is what? Mag-equate tayo. Ito ang i-equate natin. Si man ay 24 plus A plus 2 years para maging equal siya sa twice of A plus 2. Ito na yung equation natin. Ipagsama ang mga like terms, 24 plus 2, that is 26. So A plus 26. 2 times A, that is 2A. 2 times 2, that is 4. Ngayon, ipagsama ulit natin ang mga like terms, i-transpose natin si 4 dito sa kabila. Since pang-add si 4 dito, pang-minus si 4 dito. 2A, ito naman si A naman, since add si A dyan, pag matranspose sa kabila, magiging minus A. 2A minus isang A na lang. 26 minus 4, and that is 22. So, ang edad ni son at present ay 22. Balikan natin ang tanong, the present age of his son. So, ito na yung sagot, 22 years. Q is much younger than R as he is older than T. If the sum of the ages of R and T is 50 years, what is definitely the difference between R and Q's age? Is it 1 year, 2 years, 25 years, or is it data inadequate? Q is much younger than R as he is older than T. Sino ba ang older than T? Si Q pa rin. As he is older than T. So, older daw si Q kay T. So, ganito yan. Q is much younger than R as he is older than T. If the sum of the ages, when we say sum, i-add natin. Si R daw at saka si T is 50. Ganito yan. T plus R equals 50. What is definitely the difference between R and Q's age? Kung sa 50 lang, ito lang ang i-think natin ha. Mag-guess lang tayo. Halimbawa, kung ito hindi naman pwedeng 25, maging equal silang dalawa. So, hindi yan pwede. So, example lang, this is 26. Itong dalawa ba? 26. Tapos, itong isa ay 24. 24 plus 26, that is 50. So, yung nasa gitna ay 25. Kaso nga lang ang problema, hindi yan given. Pwede namang ito ay 27 at ang isa ay 23. 24, 25, 26. Pwede sa tatlo. Ang isa naman ay pwedeng 28. Tapos parisan ng 22. So meron kang 23, 24, 25, 26. Therefore, data is inadequate. Ngayon, just comment down below kung ang sagot nyo ay nandito sa tatlo. I-comment nyo lang with solution at explanation kung bakit yun ang sagot nyo. Para share lang tayo ba? Kasi hindi ko naman nakita yung explanation sa librong ito, sa reviewer na ito. Hindi ko nakita kung ano ang answer key nito. Mas maganda na i-share nyo yung sagot nyo at explanation or solutions para naman may matutunan tayo sa tanong na ito. The sum of the ages of 5 children born at the intervals of 3 years each is 50 years. What is the age of the youngest child? 4 years, 8 years, 10 years, 12 years. Now, let n be the edad of the youngest child. Next, n plus 3. Next, n plus 6. Kasi 3 years yung interval nila. Ang next ay n plus 9. Tapos yung panglima ay n plus 12 equals 50. Ipagsama ang mga like terms. Ilan ba tong n na to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5n equals 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 12. And that is 30. Plus pala to. Plus 30 equals 50. At itong si 30, transpose natin sa kabila. Ang may iwan na lang ay si 5n. Kung i-transpose mo si plus 30, maging minus 50 minus 30, and that is 20. Para ma-isolate si n dyan, itong si 5, since pang-multiply siya sa n, pang-divide siya sa 20. 20 divided by 5, and that is 4. Ito yung youngest child. Diba sa umpisa, nag-let n be the youngest child. So, ang equivalent ni n ay 4 years. Yan na yung sagot. Aisha's father was 38 years of age when she was born, while her mother was 36 years when her brother, 4 years younger to her, was born. What is the difference between the ages of her parents? Is it 2 years, 4 years, 6 years, or 12 years? Meron na tayong na-upload na ganito rin ang tanong. So, just see description below nitong video ito. Ilalagay ko dyan yung mismong link. At kasi nandun na yung pinaka-detalye kung paano ito isolve. What we are going to do now ay yung shortcut method nito. 38 years old si Papa nung ipinanganak si Aisha. 38. Tapos, after 4 years, ipinanganak yung brother niya. Kasi yung brother niya ay 4 years younger sa kanya nung ipinanganak. So, after 4 years, ang edad naman ni Mama ay 36. So, this is minus 36 minus 4. Her mother was 36 years old when her brother 4 years younger to her was born. 36 ang edad ni Mama. 4 years ago, ang edad ni Mama ay 32. So, 38 minus 32, and that is 6. So, 6 years ang difference between the ages of her parents. 6 years. Next, Sheila's age is 1/6 of her father's age. Sheila's father's age will be twice of Val's age after 10 years. If Val's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before, then what is Sheila's present age? Is it 10 years, 25 years, 35 years, or none of these? So, let F be the edad ni father, tapos F over 6 be the edad of Sheila. Val's 8th birthday was celebrated 2 years before. So at present, 8 plus 2, this is at present. It is 10 at present. Now, father's age will be twice of Val's age after 10 years. Plus 10 years. This is Val's age after 10 years. After 10 years. 8 plus 2 plus 10, and that is 20. Balikan natin. Sheila's father's age will be twice of Val's age after 10 years. Twice means i-multiply mo ng 2 si 20 and that is 40. Ang 40, yan yung edad ni father after 10 years. At present, 40 minus 10, kasi after 10 years man yan. So minus 10 para sa present. That is 30. Sheila's age is 1/6 of her father's age. 1/6 of 30 or 30 divided by 6 and that is 5. Balikan natin ang tanong. What is Sheila's present age? She is 5 years old. At wala sa choices, so none of this. Kasi ang sagot ay 5 years old si Sheila. Ngayon, gusto nyo i-double check natin si 5 na yan yung edad ni Sheila. Itong 5 ay 1/6 lang sa edad ni papa niya. So, 5 times 6, that is 30. 30 at present. After 10 years, 30 plus 10, that is 40. Twice of Val's age daw. Ang edad ni Val at present ay 10 kasi nag-8 birthday siya 2 years ago. 2 years before. So, 2 years plus 8. Nag-8 birthday siya 2 years ago. So, 2 years plus 8, that is 10. After 10 years, it will be 20. 20 times 2, and that is 40. Therefore, ito 40. Therefore, ang sagot na 5 years old ay tama. A person's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. How old is the mother at present? Is it 32 years, 36 years, 40 years, or 48 years? Para mas klaro yung presentation natin or para mas clear bali kung paano natin siya isolve, ang gagawin natin ay yung table method. So, his mother. Tapos, itong person. So, isulat lang natin yung word na person na ginamit dito. Present. Then, yan yung table natin. At present, ito, let M be the edad of his mother. Ang person naman, itong person's present age is 2/5 of the age of his mother. 2/5 of M. Next, after 8 years plus 8, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. After 8 years, si mother ay M plus 8. Ito namang si person natin dito, after 8 years, he will be 1/2 of the age of his mother. Ito yung age ni mother after 8 years. 1/2 is 1/2. Ngayon, ito yung i-equate natin. 2/5 of M plus 8 para maging equal siya sa 1/2 of M plus 8. Kasi ito yung present age nitong person na to. Mag-add ka ng 8 para maging equal nitong 1/2 of M plus 8. Ito na yung equation dito sa problem na ito. Next, isolve na natin ito. Hanapin natin yung value ni M. Dito muna tayo sa 1/2 of M, that is M over 2 plus 1/2 of 8, and that is 4. So, ito, kopyahin lang natin si 2/5 M plus 8. Ipagsama natin ang mga like terms. So, dito lang si 8, itong si plus 4, pag matranspose mo, maging minus 4. And then, itong si M over 2, para klaro lang sa inyo. Ganito ang gagawin natin, that is 1/2 M. Pariho lang yan. Para klaro lang ba sa inyo? Tapos ito, i-transpose natin sa kabila since pang-add siya, pang-minus siya dito. And this will be 2/5 m equals 8 minus 4, that is 4. Tapos ito, ang least common denominator nila ay 10. 10 ang least common denominator nila. 10 divided by 2 equals 5 times 1 equals 5. In other words, si 1/2 m ay pareho lang sa 5/10 m minus 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. In other words, itong 2/5 m ay pareho lang sa 4/10 m. Ngayon, pwede na natin yang i-minus. Kopyahin si 10 na denominator at itong si m. 5, numerator to numerator. 5 minus 4, and that is 1. So, 4 is equals to 1/10 of m. Para klaro lang, itong 1/10 m, pareho lang yan sa m/10. Since si 10 pang divide ni m, kapag matransfer na siya sa kabila, pang multiply na siya sa 4. 4 times 10, that is 40. So, si m, si mother bale at present age ay 40. Ano ang tanong dito? How old is the mother at present? So, 40 years. Yan na yung sagot.